Hey guys, okay, so I just finished the videos of recording all the synthetic wigs that I got. Now let's talk about the wefted hair I got. So, this hair here, I'm going to start with this one. This is the Shake and Go Organique. It's Organique. It's Mastermix. It's straight weave, 30 inches. It says our Organique is made of the finest A-grade formulated A-grade fiber, formulated to mimic and feel like human hair. Okay, so this is like supposed to be a mixed blend. This is like dead ass, like 99.9% synthetic with probably 2 strands of human. So I got it in the 613 to dye these. Like I said, I keep saying in all these videos, I got these wigs to dye them. The wigs, 2 wigs. I don't know if I'm gonna dye the other one because I actually like that 27, or I can do like the ginger with the coral. Anyway, sorry. Yeah. Anyways, so yeah, we're gonna take this one out so you can see it, and I can tell you how it feels. It's supposed to feel like human. We will see. And these were like $8 a pack. Let's take it off this thing so I can really feel it. It feels just like good synthetic hair. I've seen a lot of people use this and talk about like how to take care of it, and you know, they say it's a good quick weave, and I've seen someone who actually put the 30 inches of this 613 hair in her hair. It actually looked really good. She brushed it. It feels okay. It feels like, I mean, the reason why I did the 613 hair, because this one looks like it could be synthetic hair. I mean, synthetic. It looks like it could be human hair. Like, it looks like it can be human hair. So, I feel like this might be able to do something. This is the bundle up top. I don't know how. I hope I have enough hair. I might have to order more. We'll see how I do this. Because obviously I'm making a wig out of this. But yeah, I don't hate it. It feels okay. I'm not getting any shedding. Just got a little strand. But overall, for unboxing, it's pretty good. I definitely am going to show how to curl this and stuff like that. It's not going to stay straight. I'm going to show, obviously, the wig when it's done. I'm going to do a part closure on it. But this is the ends. I mean, it's giving you, like, real hair looks. Definitely feel. It's giving you definitely synthetic blend. Synthetic. I don't know. So, oops. But yeah, I did get 4 packs, and I do want to use some of this to make a wig, to do the closure. So I'm not going to do a big one. I just want to do a hairline and just a part. I might do a side part. We'll see. But yeah, I think I do have to do a side part because I have 2 middle part wigs. So these have to be side parts. That wig behind me is a side part. But yeah. So we'll see how this goes. This is a quick unboxing. I've dealt with a lot of synthetic hair in my life, so this is not bad. Like, I'll tell you right now, I used to use like Free Tress Futura hair, and that one, it gives you like kind of like, okay, if you ever use Free Tress, the Futura hair, which is, you know, it's hair that's synthetic hair you can curl, it's giving you like an upgrade of that, and that hair wasn't bad either for synthetic either. So yeah, this might do something. I'm actually very pleased with this. So this is this. Like I said, it's in 30 inches. I wanted this in 36, but they did not have it. So this is just in 30. I did get, like I said, this is all from Wig Types. Wigtypes.com. You probably will see this as a beauty supply store. You shouldn't probably spend no more than $10 on it. I think I only spent like $8. I'll definitely put the link below. But yeah, this is it. And that's pretty much it. Short and simple. I will be back with y'all with, like, each video of everything I've shown today, or whatever you guys see it, will be an individual video for each one thing. Oh god, my hair looking a mess from having it in that stocking cap. Anyways, yep, that's pretty much it. Bye now. Have a wonderful day.